Hi everyone, just want to show you how to assemble this geometric backdrop, and all of the pieces are labeled. This one is number 2 and the arrow shows which way to push it, and I'll explain that in a little bit later. Also, the corners of some have C1, 2 and 3. That's corner 1, 2 and 3. You have to line it up with the C1, 2 or 3 on the other side. I will show that as well, but first get all the pieces ready and look at the assembly chart so you know which piece goes where. And here I'll show you how they are assembled. So here, this is piece number 1. If it has a circle around it, that means it's the actual piece number 1, and it's also labeled on the drawing, and my son is going to be helping me out, right, Sammy? And here we also have number 1, and pay attention to the arrow. It shows where to push it. So on the piece itself there are these keyhole fittings, and we have to first make sure that the bolts fall into the larger circle and then push it so it locks. Alright, so see here we have C3, over here we have C3, so these two corners need to align, and we do that by you gotta kind of feel it through and wiggle it till it drops flat, and then you just push it in the direction of the arrow and it locks firm. And then we get piece number 2. Same here. Same, move a little bit. Did you inspect it? Everything's good? Alright. Here, move just a little bit. And here, see, it says piece number 2, C2 for corner 2. So we align those. And then we also align it on the top over here. And we kind of wiggle it until it drops flat. I'm gonna check, make sure it drops flat here as well. And then you have to push it in the direction of the arrow, so it locks firm together. Then we take our piece number 3. Yep, Sammy, that's where it goes. Here, move a little bit, help Lady out. And then we do the same thing, align C1. This one is a little bit more challenging because there's a lot more bolts there. So I'm gonna make sure, oh, see, I wasn't aligning correctly. So there's the C1, align it with C1 over here. So align the corners, because it won't go together if you put it the other way. Make sure it drops flat, and then push it that way so it locks. So we got our base pieces together. The rest will go much easier. Take our piece number 5 and just a second here. Oh, by the way, another thing, they go in order. So from 1, so we assembled 1, 2, 3. Now we have to put in 4, and then we put in 5. So this is piece number 4. It goes in here. Like that. And then we assemble piece number 5. There's a lot more bolts here. I would recommend first aligning it with the upper portion. See, it falls flat, and then align it with the bottom triangle. And then push them together. We'll have to tap it a little bit so it locks in. So here it's locked in. Now we take piece number 6. Let me just make sure this is 6. Yep. See, there's a circle. That means it's 6. And then this one goes right into here. Same idea. Make sure you put it in the hole so it drops flat, and then push it that way for it to lock. And then the last piece, piece number 7, it's right here. Number 7. And pay attention how many bolts need to be inserted here. It's 3, so we see 3 here. We put it in. I suggest putting this side in first because it has more bolts, it's harder to align. And kind of wiggle it into place till they drop and become flush like that. And then before putting it together, make sure this side aligns as well. And then, oh, I think it dropped a little bit, yeah. Okay, here all of them are aligned, then we just drop it in like that. Locks in, and there you have it. Should take about 5 to 10 minutes to assemble. And you have your geometric backdrop.